Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to design a beautiful mandala. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome to Brand Graphics channel. My name is Vincent Ani. Today I will be showing you how to design a beautiful mandala. I am using 1200 by 1200 inches. You can use any size of your choice. First, draw a line on the first layer. Align the line to the center. Hold Ctrl on your PC or Command on your Mac and click this circle to select the entire layer. Go to Distort and Transform and select Transform. Impute 135 degrees to reflect the line to angle 135. Make it 3 copies. Then preview. Create a new layer above the first layer. Turn off visibility of the first layer. Create a vertical and horizontal lines on the new layer. Align both to the center. Turn on visibility again. Select brush from the toolbar and draw. Hold down Ctrl and select this layer. Go to Distort and Transform. Make it 1 copy. While the layer is still selected, go back to Distort and Transform. Impute angle 90 degrees. Make it 3 copies. Anything you draw from now will reflect in all sides. I am not trying to draw anything in particular, just showing you how it's set up. If you would like to draw on a particular area only, create a border around that area. To create a border for your drawing, pick a pen tool and define the area you can draw. If you are getting value so far, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. Use direct selection tool to align the lines properly. Click on the clipping mask to hide the borders. If you draw outside the border, it won't show. What you draw inside the border will show. Let me undo by pressing Ctrl Z. You can now change the colors, change the stroke size, and so on. I would like to speed up the video. You can add drop shadow to give it a better look. When you are done, select all and expand appearance. Ungroup many times until there's nothing to ungroup. Select the lines and delete them. Oops, I forgot to release the clipping mask. Click this button to release clipping mask. Then ungroup. Delete the lines. And here we have our beautiful mandala. Here is the bonus. If you want your design to be closely packed, this is what to do. The previous design was 135 degrees. The distance between the lines is wide. Now divide 135 degrees by 2, that's 67.5 degrees. Make it 6 copies instead of 3. The lines are closer now. Follow the same process to set up. This time around, input 45 degrees instead of 90 degrees. Make it 8 copies. Watch this. Wow. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to view more videos like this.